Hans, and this is and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the show where I eat something spicy and you guys watch. And today we've got something from Indonesia. This was going to be my 4,000th review, but I changed my mind.
Why did you change your mind?
I don't know. It's pretty cool, but it's not cool enough. We gotta have something super cool for 4,000. But this should be spicy. This is Sedaap Instant Selection Korean Spicy Soup. So, I have created a bowl of this spicy dreadnought right here. Right. Yeah. See? Look at that. Or that. But I need some help. So can you give me a ready, set, go, and I can start. Oh wait, I need to have my drink. I do. Alright. I've also added, I mean there is stuff in it, there's chicken, but there's also peppers and onion in here as well. Alright, wish me luck, Mimi. So can you give me a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go.
Notice she runs away. Wow. You know what? This is way mellower than I expected. It's good though. It tastes like an Indonesian and Korean fusion. But see, I put all these peppers in it too. So this part of the mukbang here might be a little more violent. Oh wow. Yeah. And these are slices of one of my favorite peppers ever. I used to make hot sauce out of it. The technical name for them are Fresno peppers, but some people will call them red jalapenos, cherry red hot peppers, but they're just Fresno peppers. It's like a cross between a jalapeno and a red bell pepper. So it has the sweetness in the flesh, and it still has a decent heat to it, and it works really well. I've made a lot of hot sauce using that. Use that. Use those peppers, tomatillos, vinegar, garlic. I think that's it. And xanthan gum. Xanthan gum binds stuff together. I don't know what I'm hearing out there. I hope that's not a light switch. It's really good, but definitely not what I was looking for a number 4,000. I was looking for it to have something like really spicy. This really isn't. But it's very tasty. I'm like, wow. And check out the oil. Look how the oil dances around on top so nicely. That's always something that thrills me. I'm thrilled by that. Yeah, that's good. Wow. But I'll be honest, this is not really extremely mukbang-y. Mmm. I mean, since I am eating like raw sliced pepper, I might take something for heartburn, but other than that, this is really not doing it. Mmm. Yeah, I'd recommend this to somebody who can handle shin, honestly. I mean, it's not violent. Just a lovely flavor to it, though. Oh. And done. Wow. I guess now we wait and see if my face explodes, but no, it's not gonna. Yeah. I like that. Korean spicy soup. But look, it's got the chicken with the fan. I mean, it's like, it's screaming bulldog. We're back too, that's a nice shot. I'm not getting... I'm not getting the Korean side of things. I'm not getting the bulldog side of things. But it's good. I mean, it's really good. I would eat that again. Absolutely. Absolutely. Wow. Hey, Mimi, come back. She'll come back. Mimi. I don't think she's coming back. Oh, here she is. Well, is there anything you'd like to say to the nice people? You want to hide? Mimi got to run around in the park today and scream her head off. Was that fun?
I
Yeah.
was really tired.
Come here, you.
I was really tired.
You were. You ran like crazy and you were like, ah!
I was really tired.
Here, try it again. Try screaming. You can scream. Scream real loud. Come on. Ah! Nah, she's being shy. A rare occurrence and a welcome one. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Really loud. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.